and county commissioners present.
I'm sure it still happened when we were growing.
Has been ably represented here by the Vice Chair. Her Excellencies are present. Esteemed members of the
The value chain is long. It is both local and international. The demand for these products is high, causing the decline of the donkeys. So we cannot say it is only within the local market. It is both national and international. In the local market, different restaurants act as the end point where the bush meat ends.
We've talked to the boys who steal these donkeys, and they say the trader, this international trader, will buy one donkey at between 5,000 and 7,000 shillings. When these crooks go and they are smuggling these skins through the port of Mombasa, they will declare to KRA a piece of the skin at around 300 shillings. That's what the government will get. When the skin goes to China, it produces 1.5 kilos of the raw gelatin called the jiao. A kilo of it goes for 150,000 Kenya shillings.